Let us see the next one. Decimal representation of a rational number. These are all our rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, q not equal to 0. So these are all our rational numbers. These rational numbers we have to convert into the decimal form. After basing on that one, we will come to a generalization. The rational numbers are also in the form of, see, check it out now. 35 by 16. We will divide and find it out, this one. 16, dividend is 35, 16 is the divisor. 16 2s are 32. 3, put the point 0. Here 16 1s are 16. 14, 0. Then 16 6s are 96. 16 7s are 112. 16 8s are 128. 16 9s are 144. 16 8s are 128. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then again 0. 16 how many times will go? 16 7s are 7 6 are 42. 4 112. 8 0. 16 5s are 80. So this one, in this example, the division means end point we are able to see. The division ends after certain steps. This type of decimal expansion is terminating decimal expansion. Terminating, it stops after certain period. Terminating decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. This is terminating decimal expansion, like 35 by 16 equal to 2.1875 decimal expansion. In this case, once you check it out, 8 will be in the divisor place, 7 will be over here, 7 won't go, so it will be 70. 8 table, 8 8s are 64, 6 0, 8 7s are 56, 4 0, 8 5s are 40, 0. Stops there. So here 7 by 8 equal to 0.875. It is also having terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. Now let us see this one. 8 by 3. 3 will be the divisor. 8 will be the dividend. 3 2s are 6. 2. Put the point 0. 3 6s are 18. 2 0. 3 6s are 18. 2 0. 3 6s are 18. 2 0. As long as you go, it won't stop after certain position. So here this is what we will write there. 8 by 3 equal to 2.6666 and so on. So many 6's will come. This is 2.6 is repeating. So I am writing over here the bar there. This type of decimal expansion we are calling it as non-terminating decimal expansion. Non-terminating decimal expansion. Non-terminating decimal expansion. Now go for another example. In this one you see 45 minus I am keeping aside. Afterwards lastly I will write that one. 45 will be the divisor. 16 will be the dividend. Put the point 0 there. 45 table how many times it will go? 45 2s are 90. 45 3s are 135. 45 4s are 4 5s are 22. 4 4s are 16 plus 2 180. Won't go. So 3 5s are 15. 135. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 0. 250. 45 5s are 5 5s are 25. 2 5 4s are 20. 21 22. 45 6s are 6 5s are 33. 6 4s 24. 270. So it is 5s 225. So left with 25 0. 5s 225. 25 0. 5s 225. 25. 25 is keep on going. Here in this example also, it is the division is not at all stopping at after particular steps over there. So here what do we write? Minus 16 by 45 equal to minus 0.355 and so on. This is minus 0.35 bar. This is also non-terminating decimal expansion. Non-terminating decimal expansion. Here once you check it out, all of them are rational numbers itself. Here certain rational numbers are having terminating decimal expansion and certain rational numbers are having non-terminating non-terminating, and one more word also. This division is not at all stopping over there, and here the quotient after certain time it is repeating. So these only as named it as non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, can I say. Here repeating means certain number is keep on repeating. In this example 6 is repeating there. In this example 5 is repeating. So this also non-terminating repeating decimal expansion we can say. That means here by seeing this one, rational numbers are terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating repeating decimal expansions. So rational numbers can also be defined as here those decimals which are in the form of terminating or non-terminating and repeating decimals are also coming under rational numbers. Clear? Thank you.